Good morning, students. I hope you are healthy and safe at your homes. Yesterday, I told you that we will start our revision. Okay, so last day we have finished our first lesson, addition, and today I am going to start your lesson number, subtraction. Okay, I already explained you that lesson, but for the revision, I am again explaining you this lesson. So look at here. First, there is given subtract the following. So how can we solve this sum? First, there is given 8 and there is given 6. So first we will count the number of one digit place. How? First we will count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much? 8. Then after we will count this 6. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 6. We have subtract 6. Now what is remaining? We have 1, 2. How much? 2. So we will write here 2. Clear na? Now after this 10 digit place, there is given 9, there is given 7. So first we will count 9, then after we will subtract 7. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have finished 9. Now we will count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much? 7. So we have subtract 7. Is there. Now what is remaining? 1, 2. How much? 2. So we will write here 2. Got it? Now after this first we will count 5. Then after we will subtract this 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? 5. Then how can we solve? 1, 2. We have subtract 2. Then what is remaining? 1, 2, 3. How much? 3. So we will write here 3. This type. Clear na? Now after this there is given borrowing sums. So how can we solve this? First there is given 2 and there is given 6. So that's possible. We will subtract 6 out of 2. No na. So what we will do? We will take a carry from the 10 digit place. How? Look at here. When will 7 give the carry on the 1 digit place, then what is remaining here? 6. What is 6? And there is 1. We will give there. Now we will write there 12. So what is here? 12. Now we will subtract 12 out of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 12. Now we will subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 has subtract. Now what is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 6. So we will write here 6. Clear? Now come to 10 digit place. There is given 6 and there is given also 6. So 6 out of 6 we can easily subtract. 6 out of 6, 0. Now there is given 9, there is given 4. 9 out of 4. So first we will count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much? 9. Then after we will subtract 4. How? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have subtract 4. Now what is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much? 5. So we will write here 5. Clear na? Now there is given expanded form. So how will we solve this? First we will write here H2O. Clear na? After this we will provide these all the terms in this form. So first we will write here 9, then 3, then 6, then 6, 2, 3, and we will make a sign of subtract. Clear na? Now after this we will expanded form will provide. So how can we write? First we will write here H 100, and which sign we will make here? Addition. Okay. Now after tens, then after ones. Clear na? Same condition we will apply here. 300 plus 2 tens plus 6 ones. Clear? Now we will subtract 9 out of 6. How? First we will count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we will subtract 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 has subtract. Now what is remaining? 1, 2, 3. So we will write here 3. Clear? Now after there is given 3 and there is given 2. So we can easily subtract. So first we will count 3. 1, 2, 3. and we will subtract 2 out of 3. So 1 2 2 has subtract. Now what is remaining here? This 1. Now there is given 6, there is given 3. So first we will count 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then after we will subtract 3. 1 2 3. Now what is remaining here? 3. Now so we will write here 3. Now we will also provide all these value in their terms. So first we will write here 300 plus 1 times plus 3 ones. Clear now? Now come to one word problem. There is given a farmer had 275 chickens. He sold 169 of them. How many chickens were left? How can we solve? First we will provide all these value in this form. It is compulsory to provide. Okay. Now after we will write here 5 7 2 1 6 9. Now we will subtract. First there is given 5 and there is given 9. So we will, that is possible that we can subtract 9 out of 5? No. So first we will take a carry, borrow carry from 10 digit place. So what is remaining here? 6 and there is 1 means 5. So first we will count 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. How much? 15. Now we will subtract 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How much? 9. 9 has subtract. Now what is remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 6. How much? 6. So we will write here 6. Clear? Then there is given 6 and there is given 6. 6 out of 6 0. Now 2 out of 1. What is remaining here? 1. Now how many chickens were left? 106 chickens were left. Clear now? Now after this I will give you the homework of these types of sums. Okay. Now goodbye and take care.